Hello, amazing moms. Welcome back to our Proactive Productivity series. Today, I'm about to share the number one sign that you have truly mastered productivity as a mother. Stay tuned because this might just be the key to unlocking a whole new level of balance and efficiency in your life. So, what is the number one sign that you have truly mastered productivity? It's not about having a perfectly organized schedule or checking off every item on your to-do list. It's about something deeper. It's about reclaiming your time and experiencing genuine fulfillment in your everyday life. It's about finding joy in the journey, not just reaching the destination. Now let's connect this to our proactive productivity approach. It's not about being reactive to the chaos around us. It's about being proactive in creating the life we want. As mothers, we often find ourselves caught in the whirlwind of responsibilities, but true productivity mastery is about taking charge, setting priorities, and making time for what truly matters. The first sign that you have mastered productivity is having balanced priorities. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. In our proactive productivity workshop, we delve deep into strategies for identifying and prioritizing what truly aligns with your goals, allowing you to focus on the essentials without feeling overwhelmed. The second sign is experiencing effortless transitions between roles, juggling motherhood, work, and self-care seamlessly. Proactive productivity empowers you to make smooth transitions, ensuring that you are fully present and engaged in each moment without the stress of constant switching. And finally, the third sign is having dedicated daily me time. This is a game changer. Proactive productivity isn't just about getting things done. No, not at all. It's about amplifying your well-being. Our workshop includes exclusive strategies on carving out precious me time every day, rejuvenating your spirit and enhancing your overall productivity. So if you resonate with these signs or aspire to achieve them, it's time to take action. Join our Proactive Productivity Workshop for mothers and discover how to master productivity, find balance, and embrace the joy in your journey. The link is in the description. Let's make each day more productive and fulfilling together. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, mastering productivity isn't about doing it all. It's about doing what matters. Stay proactive, stay empowered, and until next time, happy proactive productivity moms. See you. Bye-bye.